Carefully cut the packing tape to open the Jetson shipping box. Take out the color box by using the handle on top. Remove all contents of the box and set them aside. Inside should be the scooter stem and handlebar, the main scooter deck, the charger, warranty and manual information. Connect the loose wires at the bottom of the stem to the top of the scooter fork. Tuck the wires in the tube and seat the tube to the collar of the scooter fork. Make sure the stem seats flush with the scooter fork. Tighten the 2 Allen bolts with the provided Allen key. Tighten the handlebar clamp. When adjusting the handlebar, make sure the notch locks in place on the stem. The red button turns on the Neo, and the green lights should activate. Pressure on the foot sensor should indicate activation. The charging port is located on the top of the deck. Make sure to cover the charging port when not in use. The automatic motor is activated when the rider's foot is on the deck and the back wheel is in motion. To stop the automatic motor, step on the back brake or dismount the scooter. We hope you enjoy your Jetson Neo.